The transformation of Camp Nou is entering another crucial phase. The massive compression ring has now reached the 50% milestone. New structural reinforcements are appearing at both goal ends, and major progress is visible across the VIP areas, Tribuna, and the stadium's iconic diamond structures. With construction advancing on multiple fronts at the same time, the future home of FC Barcelona is beginning to look more impressive than ever. In today's update, we'll take a detailed look at all the latest developments and the biggest changes shaping the future of this historic stadium. Work across the upper bowl continues to advance steadily, with visible progress on both the third tier and roof support preparations. Most of the seating steps in the third tier have already been installed, creating a much more complete appearance compared to previous weeks. At the same time, crews remain active around the third cantilever, where additional sleeper beams, support structures, and formwork systems are being positioned for upcoming phases. Workers can also be seen operating on elevated platforms around the upper sections, preparing structural connections and advancing roof-related support works. While some areas remain partially hidden by the growing compression ring, the overall upper bowl is becoming increasingly defined as construction continues on multiple fronts simultaneously. Yesterday, crews lifted and installed another box segment, fully securing it to the existing structure. An additional box section has already been added, leaving only one remaining segment to complete the connection to the radial beam in this area. With work progressing daily, the Southside compression ring is now approaching the halfway point. Another segment was lifted later in the day, demonstrating the remarkable speed and consistency of progress on one of the stadium's most important structural elements. Ceramic slat installation remains one of the most active finishing phases of the project, with crews continuing work on both the facade and false ceiling sections. A dedicated installation team is steadily adding new slats, while completed areas are beginning to showcase the stadium's final architectural look. Progress is particularly noticeable behind the tower crane, where coverage continues to expand despite several remaining sections still requiring installation. Workers were also seen carrying out inspections and adjustments on previously installed slats, ensuring quality and alignment as the system moves closer to completion. Activity remains high throughout the second cantilever, where multiple work platforms and construction crews continue operating across different levels. Concrete works are ongoing, with pumps and equipment positioned throughout the area for upcoming pours. Interior construction is advancing steadily, while additional sandwich panels continue to expand coverage across the structure. The second cantilever remains one of the busiest sections of the project, with visible progress taking place on both structural and finishing elements. The first cantilever continues to evolve as more sandwich panel installations are completed across the lower sections. Workers remain active inside the structure, carrying out various construction tasks behind the visible facade. Progress is also being made on support systems and secondary structures that will accommodate future architectural elements. While changes are more subtle compared to other areas, construction remains steady throughout this level. Preparations for the facade louvers are advancing across multiple sections of the stadium. Crews continue aligning anchor points, completing finishing work on support structures, and preparing installation areas. Large numbers of louvers are already stored on site and ready for placement. Although some final painting and adjustment work remains, this area appears to be approaching the next major phase, with louver installation expected to begin soon. Inside the VIP areas, progress continues steadily, although there are no major visible changes compared to previous updates. The flooring installation remains unfinished, while the plasterboard walls are now fully in place and appear ready for the next stage of finishing. Most of the structural work in these premium hospitality spaces is already complete, meaning the focus has shifted toward interior fit-out tasks such as painting, lighting, mechanical systems, and final decorative finishes. While the area may look similar at first glance, it is gradually moving closer to becoming one of the most luxurious sections of the new stadium. The diamond structure continues to show strong development as crews advance formwork, reinforcement, and concrete preparation works. New wall sections are being formed, rebar installation is progressing steadily, and additional structural elements are being prepared for future pours. Large quantities of construction materials remain staged around the area, allowing work to continue at a rapid pace. The overall shape of the diamond is becoming increasingly visible as each phase of construction moves forward. Significant progress has been made on the diamond's column construction. Several columns have already received their circular formwork systems, while remaining reinforcement cages are being prepared for installation. Concrete pumps are positioned nearby, and the area appears ready for the next round of concrete pours. Once these columns are completed, crews will move on to connecting structural elements that will further define the diamond's framework and support future construction phases. False ceiling installation continues to advance rapidly. New louver sections have recently been placed, and only a limited number of gaps remain in some areas. Much of the ceiling structure is now nearing completion, while workers continue securing newly installed elements and preparing adjacent sections for the next installations. The transformation of these interior spaces is becoming increasingly noticeable as coverage expands. The north goal compression ring continues to grow as another box segment has been successfully installed and connected to a radial beam. While this side remains slightly behind the south side in overall progress, several support structures and temporary assemblies are already prepared nearby, indicating that additional installations are expected soon. The pace of work suggests the north side will continue closing the gap in the coming weeks. One of the most notable developments on the north goal side has been the rapid installation of louver support anchors. In a very short period, crews completed a substantial amount of anchor work across multiple levels, including sections surrounding the false ceiling. This progress marks an important step toward the future installation of the stadium's exterior louvers and further advances the transformation of the stadium's outer appearance. The Tribuna area continues to show steady progress, particularly around the superstructure and surrounding support systems. Multiple elevated platforms remain active as crews advance anchor installations and structural connection works across the upper sections. Attention is also focused on waterproofing preparations, with recent inspections and testing activities suggesting that crews are verifying drainage and moisture protection systems before moving into the next phase. Nearby, the Tribuna diamond remains under development, with ongoing work on structural elements and lower-level construction zones. Work continues around the exterior infrastructure zones, where crews are preparing utility connections, underground services, and future ground-level finishes. Material deliveries remain constant, and several areas are being cleared, cleaned, and organized in preparation for upcoming landscaping and surface works. Expanded clay deliveries also continue in large quantities, suggesting that ground preparation activities will become increasingly important during the next phase of construction. The stadium continues to impress from every angle. With the compression ring reaching 50%, new roof reinforcements installed at both goal ends, decorative facades expanding, and multiple diamond structures advancing simultaneously. Another important chapter has been added to the construction of Barcelona's future home. The project is steadily moving from heavy structural work toward the next phase of architectural completion, bringing the vision of the new Camp Nou closer to reality with every passing week.